Welcome back to The Real Estate Place. What's on your dream list? If you had on your dream list about having a house in the mountains, what would be on that dream list? What kind of house would you want? Would you want a big house? A little house? Would you want something near the lake? Would you want something in the forest? Do you want seclusion and privacy? Do you want to feel like a part of the community and sort of live as urbanly and rurally at the same time as you possibly can? Everybody has different things that appeal to them. So one thing that I do a lot of times when I have people that are coming up to the mountains for the first time is to ask them to actually write out a dream list and say, if you had a list of all the things that you'd want in a home up here, do you care about how many rooms there are? Do you care about square footage? Do you care about what you're looking at? Do you care about the neighbors? Do you care about proximity to the water? There's so many things to think about. So what I do is I do it in a couple of steps. One is write out your dream list, just unedited, write it out, dream big. Second thing is to know what your parameters are as far as pricing and say, what am I willing to trade off? If I found a house that was in my price range, but it didn't have a garage, would I still be willing to buy it? If I found a house that had one less bedroom than I wanted, but it could convert a den into a bedroom, would that be okay? Again, depends on your purposes. Once you have your dream list, and I would just write it out as you think of it, you can go back again and rank which are the top priorities. My suggestion is don't try to write out the priorities as you write the list, just write the list first. Get it all down, then decide. It's an amazing way to be clear so that when you do start your search, you're really clear on what you're looking for and you're really clear on what you're willing to trade off. That clarity will also help you when you're talking to your local realtor. It'll help them narrow down and not waste your time showing you things that really don't fit for you. So take the time, write the list, prioritize the list in the ranking order that you want, and what are the things that are must-haves and what are the things that wouldn't it be nice? Get your list together, contact your local realtor, say here's what I'm looking for, send them the list and see what they can find that's as close to your dream as possible. Thanks again for joining us for another segment on The Real Estate Place. If you have any questions, check the section below called Ask Oreo and send in your questions and we'll be happy to address them. Thanks a lot.